Presenting a pre-owned 2015 GMC Yukon XL SLT. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 82,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include sunroof, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and OnStar.